Hey guys, Awesome76 here with some Wii Party. So, yeah. So what in this video, what I will be doing, I will be playing a game of Swap Meet, some bingo, and then play a few mini games. Give me a minute. Let me look around for a minute. So I'll play a 3-set game to make this video actually possible to play bingo and a few mini games. So snap. Let's see how good I will do in this. I was trying so hard not to blink, but I...
To go.
Spaceball. This should be pretty interesting. Trying to collect all. Me and Midori were like neck and neck on that one. I got a little nervous that she was catching up.
One to go.
She somehow gets a green. Well, I was just short first set. Oh, I have a feeling Midori is gonna win this one. Oh god. If this is the master difficulty, I would probably would have gotten last place. Oh god. Ah! Oh god. Oh god. That hole in the middle is gonna... Oh. Okay. I'm not getting last. Oh god. Ah! I tried so hard there. wanted to get that vet too. Well,
One to
I'm
go.
gonna have to clear them out. That actually didn't go well. That's an issue. How I'm doing yeah, Medora's winning this one. I can already see it. Ooh, I hate that. Please don't be an RNG minigame. Oh god. This minigame sucks. The controls of this one are the controls in this are just dumb. I'm actually doing pretty good so far. I do not like the controls in any way whatsoever. I am not stopping. This game really thinks I'm stopping, but I'm really not. Who can I go after?
One to go. One to go.
I need to win this next minigame. This will be RNG. Okay, I'm good at this one too. I turned around just to get that. So there's no way I'm getting that golden balloon. Oh, come on. I tried so hard to avoid that. Get up! I just killed it that game, let's just be honest. Alright. So far, me and Medora are like neck and neck right now. Alright, final set. What am I doing? Pretty easy enough. that second again? I tried to go after the person in second, but it turns out Midori didn't have a platinum, so I couldn't do that. I need that blue. I need it. So far, we haven't seen an RNG minigame yet. Instead, we did an easy one.
Start.
I don't know which way I'm taking, what way path I'm taking. Alright, so far so good. Easy. There's a lot of easy minigames, but there are a lot of dumb ones too.
Finish. One to go.
The only someone gets another 3 times 2, she won this. She's winning this, she gets another 3 times 2. I need somehow trade from Midori in order to win. Come on, come on, come on. Please don't be RNG. Please don't be RNG. Okay, I can deal with this one too.
Start.
Oh my gosh, come on. Yes. Alright, that's good. That's good.
Finish.
Looks like I won this game. Marco didn't even get a single point in all 3 sets. I feel bad for him now. Okay. On to bingo. Let's include some of my custom music this time. Let's go to advance this time. Hold on, let's try. We're gonna have Marco in this one. about my camera, guys.
Minigame.
I really do apologize for my camera though. Sometimes my camera just acts up. Easy. I don't know why my camera's acting like this. Like, which one will I pick? I'll pick this one. One to go already? Sheesh. Oh god, it's RNG based. That's just great. I just love doing that. Why is my camera acting like this? I'm really starting to get sick of my camera doing this. Oh, that's upsetting. Guys, I'm sorry. This is my camera. It's starting to piss me off. What is she picking?
One to go.
I'm starting to see it out of nowhere when I'm starting to see that.
One to go.
So, 2 chances to win. Please don't be RNG based. Please don't be an RNG based minigame. It's RNG based. Great. What is my camera doing? I don't know what's wrong with it. I'm picking this one. Of course, to get the last place firework.
One to go. One to
I'm telling you
go.
guys, this game is getting tense. This minigame decides everything.
Minigame.
Oh my gosh. This minigame sucks. It's just as bad as strategy steps. I whipped your thumb off for apparently no reason. I don't like the controls in this minigame. My God. How am I stopping? I'm literally mashing the 2 button right now. This minigame sucks. I might have found my new least favorite minigame.
Bingo.
I cannot stand the cosmic capers. I'm gonna play like 5 minutes. I'll try 6 minigames now to wrap it up. How many rounds would this take? 10 rounds. So mostly all the bingo games that finishes, it takes 10 rounds. Should I switch out the lineup each time? Yeah, it sounds like a pretty cool idea. I didn't mean to click this minigame. I meant to click Turn Up Chat, my #1 favorite minigame, but I feel like I'm gonna lose since I don't feel like mashing the buttons. It's the only time I feel like mashing the buttons. What are the odds? Me and Asami tied. Wait. Oh, I beat it by 1. I didn't see that. I thought me and Asami tied. I really didn't even see that. Let's switch the lineup again. There are a lot of master moves I hate. There really is a lot of them. Okay, let's try friendly face off. I like this minigame too. I swear guys, I'm starting to get pissed off at my camera. 6 minigames and I'll switch the lineup each time. Friendly face off is too easy. Switch the lineups each time. So we got I don't want to see any ugliness. Oh, this is a pretty cool lineup. Alright, let's try stopwatchers. Oh gosh, my camera's really pissing me off right now, guys. You don't even understand. What's the time? 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, just one short, but still good. So far, we've gone through 3. There are a lot of, there's a lot of ugly knees in this difficulty. It's really starting to somehow piss me off. So far, we've gone through 4 because of this one. Guys, you guys don't understand, my camera is making me... I cannot stand my camera. Why did I even bother having Alicia in this? I don't like her. Okay, I won still. Why did I even bother having Alicia in this? Alright, so far, it's minigame number 4. Okay. 2 left. Okay, let's try... No, let's try Goal Getters. Last minigame... I'm sorry. Nice. It's like, it rarely happens when the master computers mess a ball. It rarely ever happens. Yeah, this is gonna probably end up in a tie. Oh, never mind. Tyrone missed. Stephanie missed as well. Me and Sami tied, of course. What are the odds? Alright. Final minigame. I cannot stand all the ugly me's that are in this game. Like, all Matt's... I'm trying to get a good... That was a good lineup, but I somehow screwed it up. No, I saw Alicia. I'm not doing the same mistake again. Alright, here's a good one. Last minigame. Bell Daredevil. What is with my camera? I don't understand. Me, I'm a tie, but of course Pierre won. No, I'll accept it. So guys, that will be it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and yeah, you guys already know what to do. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.